Ijarah, a semi-debt-based product. Let's begin this chapter with the introduction of Ijarah. Ijarah is a term of Islamic fiqh, which is used in two different situations. First, to transfer of ownership over the usufructs of the asset, or to employ the services of a person on wages given as a consideration for his hired services. Its literal meaning is to give something on rent. It is a popular Islamic instrument, representing approximately 15% of all transactions. It is most widely used in corporate financing, generally on the basis of purchase and leaseback arrangements. What is Ijarah? It is a term of Islamic finance which represents a legal binding contract where the owner of something with value transfers its usufruct to another party for a predefined period in exchange of an agreed consideration. Under this concept, the bank makes available to the customer the use of service or assets or equipments such as car, airplane, home, plant, office automation for a fixed period and price. Let's see graphically how Ijarah works. The customer approaches the bank with the request for jarah financing. The bank purchases the item required for leasing and receives title of ownership from the vendor. Then, the bank makes payment to the vendor. The bank transfers the asset to the customer. In return, the customer makes periodic payments as per the contract. And finally, at the end of contract, the asset title transfers to the customer based on the method disclosed in the agreement